well. Roof repair, done well. Emergency plumbing, done well. So the next time you have a project, join the millions of homeowners who use Angie to care for their home. Get started at Angie.com.
Madami siguro manunod ng CNN pag si Trump ang magsasalita. Diba? Gusto lang makita kung ano sasabihin ni Trump. Sa tingin ko, sadya yan eh.
Bakit?
Building, walang kahit isang guard. Naghinihintay lang nila talaga kung meron mag-a-attempt ng kung may gago na ano.
Meron nga.
Kasi binigyan mo ng opening eh. Yes mo?